Hi everyone, welcome to Acrylic Art Alchemy by Annette. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Cell Activator. I've been working on these sort of beach scenes, and I use a part bloom swipe at the top, hand paint the ocean and then make some waves down the bottom. I've already done a section of waves here, as you can see, but I'm not completely happy with it, so I need to make up some more Cell Activator, which is the white section of the waves, to fix a couple of spots I've run out. So that's just in here. It's a bit bare, and yeah, I just want to fix it. So to do that, I use some of my made up pour medium. It dries clear, so you can see through it, as per the previous video on my channel. And now I need to just make up the white section, and then I can make my waves and fix that section. So here we go. So an empty jar. I'll be using Amsterdam Standard Series Titanium White, and some Australian Floetrol, which you get from Bunnings. Floetrol can separate a little bit, so make sure that it's well mixed. Shake it if you need to. My tube of titanium white is nearly empty, so that's why I'm pounding it on the desk. I don't measure as in weight, because it's really the consistency, the thickness or the thinness of how it is after you mix is the thing that makes it work. So I've added maybe a size of a grape in there, maybe a bit bigger, and then I just pour in a small amount of Floetrol, just to cover the bottom of the jar really. And I use these little makeup mixing sticks and stir well. You need to sort of scrape down the sides, scrape around the bottom, and just keep on mixing, and keep sort of every now and again pulling your stick up and just check of what the consistency looks like. And when I talk about consistency, I mean the thickness or the thinness of it. And for a Cell Activator, you want it to look a bit like warm honey or a runny cream. So I just continue mixing. Some paints take longer than others to mix in. Atelier Titanium White takes a lot of mixing and a lot of paint. Amsterdam, not so much so. So I'm just checking here, lifting it up and having a look at it, and it's still quite runny. It's almost like water, so it's disappearing straight away as it falls off the stick. So I decide to add a little bit more of the Amsterdam White and mix again. And I can already tell by mixing that it's a bit thicker, and I just scrape, mix, scrape and check. Oh, and now I'm happy with it. Yeah, that's much better. It runs off the stick smoother in a long stream. There's no breaks in the stream. It's leaving a little mound as it falls into the dish below, or the jar below. Yep, that's good.